True freedom is the ability to work on your own terms and to create a life by design. Now, 13 years ago, I started my own business, but before then, I was working a lot of shitty jobs, trading hours for dollars, punching in, punching out, getting up early, couldn't take vacations, and I was a slave to someone else's rules, right? And I don't like rules, I don't like restrictions, so then I started my own online coaching business, allowed me to work from anywhere, and I got away from trading hours from dollars, and I started to earn with my mind and not my time. So about 3 years ago, I actually created an online coaching certification that teaches everything you need to grow your online coaching business. First of all, it certifies you, so you're an official coach, but it gives you the marketing tools to attract your ideal clients, how to sell your services at the highest level, most importantly, how to serve using technology, the liability forms, the contracts, everything you need to have a legitimate online business and all the tools. So we're having a 70% off sale. It's a 3-year anniversary. If you click down below this video, you can take advantage of it. This way you can help more people, change more lives, but also have the flexibility to do as you please and live a life of flow, fulfillment, and financial abundance.